Boom! Shakalaka. Let's get straight into these trade recaps. Alright, so I lost 1% on GU. We're not going to go over it too much, but basically, we took out this low, which was the Asian session low, retraced into an imbalance, and then I took a short. Got stopped out, lost 1%, but that's all good because we made it back on this one trade on EU. So we had a bit of a break-even day today. Let's go over my full daily bias real quick. Here we go, hold on. Okay, let's go over the daily bias for this EU trade. If we rewind time back to like here, get rid of this. Okay, so first things first, I noticed that EU came up, it broke structure right here to the upside, so I was like, cool, we're bullish. Recently, we have been very bullish. So I was like, okay, cool, I want to look to take a long today. And what did we have right here? We had this high right here, which was buy side liquidity. Now, once price came back and retraced into this 1 hour fair value gap, just wait a second, this is all going to make, it's all going to make sense in a second. Price retraced into this 1 hour fair value gap. At this moment in time, I was like, price is somewhat bearish on the smaller time frame, making low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, you know, respecting a bearish fair value gap right here. Could we go lower? In fact, at one point, I was even going to take a short, but then I realized, bro, we're bullish. We have buy side liquidity right here. We left another high right here, creating equal highs. And then I also realized my bearish target is here, the 4 hour fair value gap. So I thought, bro, if price wants to go lower, surely it's going to want to come up here, fill shorts, and then it can target this 4 hour fair value gap. So I was bullish. I wanted to look for a long. And then at the same time, if we draw EQ, we can see that we retrace into 50%. Right, we come into 50% right there. We reject it with a nice rejection candle, big wick. And yeah, also we had an SMT with GU. So we look here, low, lower low. Right, low, right here, to up here, higher low. So we have a bullish SMT. So we have a lot of confluence on like looking to buy. And then you can also say stuff like, I didn't use this buy, so I literally just thought it was a good area to buy. All of these confluences, I thought this could be a breaker block, like all that stuff. Anyways, I was going to enter on this 5 minute. But I got scared and I didn't. I'm not gonna lie. Pussied out a little bit and I didn't enter on this 5 minute. The reason why I didn't enter, because look, we're making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. This could easily just be like making lower lows, lower highs until we target that 4 hour fair value gap right here. So I was a little bit. I should have entered there, to be honest. That was where my first original entry was gonna be. I literally had meta quotes open, about to press buy, but I didn't, which is not good. So I hesitated a little bit. Anyways, it doesn't matter because we still won this trade. You know why? Because I'm New Zealand's best trader. Nah, chill out. Anyways, we inverse this 5 minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. That's your first confluence on why you should enter. And then I'm gonna have to check where. That wasn't me. That was some random guy. I know that sounded like me. I was listening to it because it sounded like me. But anyways, we entered. Let's just play price. So yeah, this was the perfect entry because this was the higher low. When a trend reverses, especially, when a trend reverses, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. That's a trend reversing, and then we can also see it bounce off 50% again. So anywhere in here would have been good to enter. And then I think I entered on this 1 minute fair value gap right here, which is a bit of a shit entry in hindsight. Like we could have waited for price to retest this 5 minute fair value gap. But regardless, I entered here with my stop loss at this low, targeting the equal highs. So yeah, we could have taken, this would have been a better entry to be honest, if price retraced into here. And yeah, bid entry, but whatever, we still won this trade. And then as you guys can see, takes a little while, and then bang, price hits my TP, we break even for the day. Look at that, W. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of game now, time and price. So if we check Forex Factory today, we could see CPI was at 2:30 in the morning. It's already happened, but we know at 2:30 in the morning there is going to be a huge pump of liquidity. With what we already know, like look what I drew right here. We knew that price was going to continue higher and target these equal highs. At this point, I realized, okay, we're going to go lower and target this 4-hour fair value gap, or we could even look at it in terms of buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. After we've taken out buy side liquidity, it's likely that we're going to take out sell side liquidity right here. So price comes up, takes out buy side, bang, what happens straight after that? Displacement. We literally get a bearish move as soon as we take our buy side. We print a clean 15-minute fair value gap. Now, to be completely honest, I could have taken this. Or also, I think we made an SMT with GU as well. Wait. Hold on. So yeah, we can see right here we made a high and then a lower high. And then here we made a high and then a higher high. So we've taken out buy side liquidity, and then we've created an SMT with GBP USD, created a bearish 15-minute fair value gap, and then yeah, if you want to take it, stop loss at this high, targeting this low. Now usually trading news is a bit risky because it can just make a retarded ass candle and go boom boom, right? Stop you out and then take your target. But if you're feeling a little bit risky, and if you just want to be risky, then you could have taken that 15 and bang, big dump to the downside. I didn't take it. I saw it. I didn't take it because I'd already taken 3 trades today. 2 losses on GU, both 0.5%, and then a dub on EU, risking 0.5%, but with a positive 2 risk reward. But yeah, anyways, that is the trade recap for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if you found this type of content useful. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Whoosh!